Primeiro-Ministro Kairala Sanana Gusmão, o representante especial Greater Sunrise. Austrália colhe o processo de desenvolvimento mega projeto Greater Sunrise.
Encontro ne realiza segunda-feira, Lawrence no Recém ida fulan dezembro, tinan reunião rua Ronaldo Recém tolu e a Palácio Governo dele. Representante especial Greater Sunrise, Steph Brecht informa e a encontro ne se recolhia com o processo de desenvolvimento Greater Sunrise nian, liliu com o conceito estudo nebe daudau ne lau hela. Não espera e a progresso nebe dia cliutang e a futuro.
And excellent meeting with the Prime Minister and the Petroleum Minister, Francesco, as well. We're making progress on Greater Sunrise. This is just a step on the way. We all have to wait for the new concept select study, which will be commissioned and done very soon, to look at the economics of the project, but this was really getting prepared and ready for that, on what sort of outcome we could have.
Sr. Steve Braggs foi que encontro dia Teves, o primeiro-ministro, o ministro do petróleo, se recolhia com a progresso nebe lauda da Kona, ainda ne encontro da nebe colhia com a passo tuir mai e a processo desenvolvimento Greater Sunrise nia. Liu com a conceito estudo nebe maka agora da lauda da espera ainda ne se halau progresso dia kita atau continua bawah.
And certainly, as an envoy for the Australian government for the Greater Sunrise project, I have to say that Australia is totally committed to getting Greater Sunrise up. We understand the Timor-Leste government's, Prime Minister Gusmau's government's wish to have this processed and done in Timor. We've got to work through the economics of that. But we are totally committed to seeing this project up, hopefully supported and approved next year.
No, Sr. Steve Braggs, anessa representante especial para Greater Sunrise Australia nia, tem que dia kata a Australia commitmento comprometido para projeto dan atulawa oi. Maybe tem que haremos para viabilidade comércio no económico nia. Maybe espera tina noi ita ihana decisão se negociação.
The consortium partners, Woodside, Osaka Gas and Timor Gas, have agreed that they will have a concept select study to update and look at the economics of processing LNG in Timor and processing LNG in Darwin. So they're going to look at the economics of that. That has been agreed. That study is now going to be undertaken with expressions of interest for its conduct to be done. The study should be finalised by middle of next year. So a lot has changed. There is a lot of new conditions. In Australia now there is new carbon measures, the safeguards mechanism in place. There is new modular systems for LNG plants, which we need to look at the economics of that. So a lot has changed, and this study will look at the economics of it.
O halo breve da também técnico demais. Usi parceiro companhia joint venture sira decide ona atu halo estudo vizibilidade ba desenvolvimento Greater Sunrise nia. Então he estudo da ne sira Haree kona ba maneira econômico da nebe madia liu atu bendir atu desenvolver Timor ka ia Darwin. Também mudança bara que Darwin sira tem que Haree ba satu captura carbon emission nya no sistema LNG nya idane sira Haree idane be made económico viável então espera tinan oi ni junho sira sanai sira hetang na resultado.
Did you discuss also about the pipeline?
We discussed a lot of things. Of course we discussed that. Yes. Look, it's too early. This is only a step in the right direction, but we've discussed that wish of the Prime Minister to have this done in Timor-Leste.
Sira diskuti buat barat, maybe kona ba pipat dada mai Timor, idane seguro dia tu pergi agora. Maybe sira diskuti buat barat untuk Primeiro-Ministro, Ministro do Petróleo, espera ele update atualização em tempo barat.
You're going to hear the same story on this until about middle of next year.
Kimi se rona história nessa letra repetitivo to inangoi junho será se quando ia abrir rumo se estudo né então receber essa informação como se
After that, you'll have a decision, and then we'll have a real story to talk about.
a foi ainda né ita se venerona decisão como quando a pipeline natural na Timor ka buat saída de minha karate na buat fong liu se buat saída ma pipeline ta polia quando a desenvolvimento representa.
Portanto, a Austrália é commitmento no comprometido a halau o projeto idane ba oin, mas be tem que Haree mos ba visibilidade comércio no econômico nian, espera tina oin bela completa fila fale. No husi companhia joint venture, Sira decide ona halau estudo visibilidade ba desenvolvimento Greater Sunrise nian. Nune ia estudo idane, Sira Haree liu kona ba maneira econômico nebe dia kliu, wan hira tu Dezenvolve, tanto ia Timor ka ia Darwin Austrália. Reportagem Efifânia de Carvalho, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emahoto. Atu atena informação atual dia kliu kita halua. Haneha botão subscribe, like, halo comentário no faixa botão ba media social hoto.